Hi, Charlotte. What you doing? Are you hanging out? Yeah? Wow, you're awfully cute. Can we see those dimples? Can we see those dimples? Let me see the dimples. Oh, it's so cute. I just want to kiss them up. You're getting to be a big girl. You're pretty active. You're awake a lot. Can you smile? Can you say hi? Hi. Can you smile? Can I see the dimples? Can I see the dimples? Hi. Hi. You're so cute. Yeah. Yeah. Is that a real smile or is that I'm gonna erp smile? We get those too, huh? Can you say hi? Hi. So cute. You're so cute. Okay. Okay, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say I'm really cute. You're so cute. Hi. Boo. Hi. Okay. Say see you later.